How's everybody doing out there? I just want to make this little short video here just for fun. This is my C10 here. I just want to see what this, compare the difference between just regular straight open exhaust versus these mufflers down here. These are for my Chevelle I'm going to put on it. But just for fun, I'm just going to see what it sounds like. So I'll let y'all hear the difference. There's what it sounds like with just open exhaust. Let's put some mufflers on here. Hopefully y'all can hear that. Hopefully y'all can hear that. I just wanted to make a little quick video of that, just comparing the difference there. May end up buying another set of these for this truck. So these are actually for my Chevelle here, but I may end up getting another set for this truck here to put on because this sounds a lot better with them. I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.